What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to put paint protection film on this Tesla Model Y's headlights. So I've already done this one and now I'm going to do this one. I'll be bulk cutting the film. This is like the first time I've ever actually used paint protection film. So we're going to see how it goes on this light. That one came out really good. So let's go ahead and get started. And I am using Geoshield Ceramic Shield PPF. So let's cut off a piece and do the headlight. First thing we're going to want to do is clean the area really well. So I'm going to give it a wipe down. I'm not getting any contaminants in there. Alright. I'm just using some clay lube. Just clay this headlight. Now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of keep the edges down, make sure nothing peels up on me. Boom. All right, so that wasn't too bad at all. We got done in about 10-15 minutes. And why would you PPF your headlight? Well, there's a few reasons. One is to protect the plastic, right? Especially here in Las Vegas, the sun is going to constantly beat down on these headlights. So that's going to give it another layer of protection. So they won't turn all like yellowy and foggy and all that stuff. They'll be nice and clear. Again, this is a 10-year film, and there's also UV protection on the plastic. So these headlights should probably last longer than the life of the car. Another reason is too, it's going to protect from scratches and rock chips. So if there's a rock, like a small rock, it's going to be fine. You know, it might save you $500,000, however much these headlights cost, just by adding some paint protection film on there. So that's why I did that. This was just a test run to see how it kind of laid and how it looked. It looks awesome. It's going to be a lot easier once I get a plotter, and then I can computer cut the thing so I don't have to cut on the car. But again, you just use light pressure, you score the film. That way, if this comes off, there's not going to be scratch marks all over the headlights. So just be careful if you're doing it on your own, but not too bad on the headlights. Coming up in a few weeks, I'll be doing a hood and then a full frontal PPF. I'll be bulk cutting. If that goes well, then I'll buy my plotter and I'll be able to computer cut for customers out here in Las Vegas that want to get their Tesla PPF. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.